Welcome traders all over the world. This is the Alpha House once again. Today, this is the place where we minimize losses and we maximize profits. Today, I just want to give you something that is going to blow your mind off. I'm telling you, trust me, this one, after learning it, you are going to be making money right now. Guys, I know that there are some people who are new in the industry, in as much as this strategy will also work for those who are old, but I want to explain it so simply that anyone, and I mean anyone, can start using it today and start making money. No, wait, not today. I rewind. Right now, not just today. Yeah, so guys, let's get to it. Today, we're going to be using one simple indicator that I am going to give you the settings for before the end of the video, and I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to basically implement this one. So guys, let's start from the basics once again. So let me just come and use a clean chart this side. So when you look at the chart, the price movement is denoted by these three things mostly. So this is what we call a downtrend, meaning price is going down. So price is going down, and then this one is what we call an uptrend, whereby price is going up. And then this one is what we call a price range. It means price is not going too high, is not going too low. So price is just ranging along the side. And as for us in this house, we don't mind this one. When you see price ranging, you don't even look at it. So we look for a downtrend and an uptrend. So if price has been going up, so let me just remove this one because already we said we don't want this thing in our house. So if price is going down, you are going to be placing your sell entries. So whenever price begins to go down, you sell. If price is now going up, you buy. That is how simple it is. That is how simple it is, guys. I'm doing this because I understand that there are people who are new here and they really might not have a good picture of what is going on here. So this is USD and it's showing quite a lot of price movements. And maybe for class's sake, let me just also allow this one. This is what happens sometimes when the news has just broke out and just price just shoots down or shoots up. Either way, that one is usually because there was a news outbreak. So guys, I just want to show us today a small examples on these things so that everyone can know what this is. So let's see. We said if price is like this, it means this is an uptrend. So price is going up, and if it's an uptrend, we said we look for buy entries. And then for a sell trade, this one, price is going down. So you can see price is going down. So this is what we call a downtrend, and this is where we place our sell entries. And mostly the best place to place your sell trade is when price is here. So when price is there at the peak, that is where you place your sell entry, because that is what price does. When it gets there, you sell, and price goes down, it goes up, you can place another sell entry again, and it goes up again, you place another sell entry. As long as the price will still be going down, you can place as many as you can. So guys, now let me show you something else. So you see this region over here. You see this region over here. This is what we call the ranging price. So price is neither going too high or too low. So price is just ranging. So on this one, we don't enter any trade. So guys, this is what we are going to be using today to guide us on how to place our buy or sell entries. This red line you keep seeing here is the moving average. So this red line is the moving average. That's why we have it on the screen. It's an indicator set up on MT5 as a moving average. And then this is what we are going to do. When you want to be sure that price is really going to be selling or buying, you look at the moving average. So if price is below the moving average, it means price is selling. And if price is above the moving average, it means price is bullish. So this one is bullish and this one is bearish. So simply as that. Now if we want to place and sell entry, for instance, this is what we are going to do. We are going to wait for price to be below the moving average, and then we are going to wait or look for a bearish engulfing candle before we can enter any trade. So right now price is below the moving average, although price is bearish here and is bearish here, but this is what we wanted. We wanted a bearish engulfing candle so that we can now place our sell entry. So that is when we sell, and we are just going to wait for price to keep moving and see. If price is still below the moving average, it means we can place any sell entries anyhow. For instance, you can have your one entry here at this peak, and you can have another one at this peak again, sell. You can have another one at this peak, you sell. You can have another one here, you sell. Imagine that this is just only one pair, and this is just an analysis on one price movement. So you can enter as many trades as you can, because you will still be having this one active and be having this one active and having that one active while price is still going down, until you see here now price is above the moving average. So when price is now above the moving average, my friend, you are going to have to stop everything over there. Now remember, I was saying we have to enter our trades on these pullbacks. So the last entry would be on this point over here, and if your last entry is there, and so now if you see price, remember the last one was at this point, and now you see price going above it, just shut everything down, start afresh. So now let me show you what we can do if we are making some buy entries. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to wait for price to be above the moving average, right? So price is going above the moving average, and we are going to wait for a bullish engulfing candle before we can make an entry. So you see over here we've got bullish candles, but that is not what we are looking for. We are looking for a bullish engulfing candle, meaning let's have a red and a blue candle and then compare the two. So right here we've got a bullish engulfing candle. Now that is when we can place our first buy entry, and price is still going up. So now this is what we are going to be doing. So if ever price comes down like this, that is where you are going to place another entry. So you can have another buy there, and price again coming down here, you can place another buy. Price coming down here, place another buy. Price coming down here, place another buy, until you have got a lot of buy entries, so long as price is still above the moving average. So if price keeps on being above the moving average, just keep on placing your entries. You can continue placing more, because you can place another one here. So long as price did go down and is now pulling up again, so place your entries there. You can place another one over here again. So long as price is still above the moving average, it means price is still bullish. Price is still, just look at how much that price movement was. You just would have been placing more entries and more entries and more entries and more entries until you have got a lot of money on your account just by analyzing one pair. Imagine this is just USD JPY only. Imagine if we had a lot of other pairs open, we are going to be doing amazing profits. And remember, this is the 5-minute time frame, so you can just look over there. This is the 5-minute time frame, and you might want to use a bigger lot size if you are a big risk taker. So now guys, for the settings, this is what we're going to do. We're just going to click on that button over here, and you're just going to click this function here, and the moving average is just right over here, and enter period 100, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, 3 pixel red. That is how simple this thing is. Then you click save, and now you have your moving average on the chart. So guys, today's strategy was for those who are new in forex and for those who don't like complicated things. This is very simple. You just look at the price movement. If it is an uptrend, you wait for the price to be above the moving average, and then you look for a bullish engulfing candle. You start placing your trades, and if price is below the moving average, you look for sell entries and you wait for price to be going down, and with a bearish engulfing candle, that is when you're going to be placing your trades like that. So guys, feel free to subscribe to learn more on this channel. See you guys soon. Happy weekend.